Hello students, welcome to another session of ABM 3510. So today we will be learning what is the current status or the potential of agro-processing industries and agriculture in India. So after Green Revolution and subsequent efforts of the application and advancement in the science and technology, the food production has been increased like anything. So we can see how it has been increased and what are the position of India in some of the production related to production. So India ranks first in production of food grains in 2018-19, and also India ranks first in milk production. So I will show you the table. We can explain from the table. Total livestock, we stands first in total livestock population, milk production, cattle population, buffalo population, beef production, goat milk production, and total bovine population. And second, we stand second position in goat population, bristle production, that is a pig industry, like it's related to the pig. And also in fish production also we stands second. Next, in sheep production and egg production we are third in the world. Chicken production fourth in the world. Poultry and meat production fifth in the world. Duck eighth in the world. Ninth in relation to camel population and wool production, like woolen products. Okay, so these are a small status about the production perspective of agro and agro related industries or allied sciences. Okay, and other points are India is the world's sixth largest economy by nominal GDP and third largest by purchasing power parity. And other things are agriculture with its allied sector, the largest source of livelihood is in India. And as we said, the agriculture and allied sector, the contribution is more. India's export of processed foods is like we have good quantity of export in relation to the processed food. And poultry, we have seen relation to poultry, fish, like this table explains everything, the standarding of India, like what is the position of India in the world in relation to the production and processing is explained in the table. Now we'll see the food processing industry is likely to boom or is in the urge of booming era due to liberalization. Okay, and there are huge opportunities and adding a lot of value, and which will result in increasing income, and it also generate a huge employment opportunity to the Indian community. Now we'll see what are the characteristics of agro industries in India. The agro industries in India have a unique characteristics or which are affected by the characteristic like seasonality, perishability and variability. As you know, all the agriculture producers are having the characteristic of seasonality. The agriculture producers are produced on season basis, and they are perishable in nature, and variability. So we will see one by one. Seasonality means it will not be available, it will not be produced at like in the 12 months of an year. And the demand for the products are even though the demand for the product is or the produce is always the same, but the production remains seasonal in nature, which is affecting the processing industry. Next, the perishability of the commodity due to the transportation or due to we don't have the good techniques of storage, warehousing, processing. The perishability is also affecting the perishable. As you know, the agriculture commodities are perishable in nature, which have to be transformed into another form so that we can improve the shelf life. Next, variability. Unlike the non-agro industries, agro industries have to face the variability in the quality of the raw materials, because in region to region or demographic to demographic, or the farmers to farmers, the produce which is produced will be having different quality, and the quantity and the shape, size, everything is different. So that is again a problem faced by the agro processing industries because of the variability. Okay. So these are the three main unique characteristics that, or these are the major problems, kind of problems which are faced by the agro processing industries of India. And a final characteristics of these agro processing industries in India is, even though the ratio of raw material required to raw material which is required is high to convert into a very small quantity of processed finished goods, which is also a kind of challenge to the agro processing industries of India. I hope this session is clear to you all. Thank you.